Assalamu alaikum. I would like to thank Almighty Allah and everyone in front of me, especially our teacher for giving me the opportunity to say something. I am Orpa. I am in 5th grade. My ID nong is 01. Today I want to delve into a topic that has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world. The impact of digital technology on society. The advent of the digital age has ushered in unprecedented changes, and it's crucial that we understand both the benefits and challenges that technology brings. Thank you very much and have a good day.